Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I'm going to be showing you some of the cards that I did with the paper pumpkin, but I added my Darling Dinos. I'll also share the class ones again, as well as other ones I've been playing with. So I don't know if you can hear my water heater or not. So this right here looks like a cabinet, but it actually it hides the water heater. So there you have it. Since my studio used to be our two-car garage, and then we converted it into my studio. So yeah, I have pictures on my blog. My blog is over here if you want to see pictures of my studio. It's got stuff everywhere right now for spring socials, so I'm not even gonna show it. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome to my channel. So if you are new, I am in the chat room during the video premiere. So head on over there. You can chat with me and my friends. If you're watching the replay, leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. All right, so I think that's all I wanted to blabber about at the beginning. So Di Shorts are usually like a quicker little video. They could be any kind of topic. All right, so like I said, I'm going to show you, some of the projects I've been doing with my Darling Dinos bundle. All right, so close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Hey, so if you are new, I'm going to go show you the ones that I showed, I think it was last week for my class, just to kind of, remind you. I couldn't think of the word. Also, the other day when I was like coloring, I had named my T-Rex. So I named him T-Bone. So, was it Lori? I think it was Lori asked if I had named the other one. So I probably should. So I'm just going to call this one, the baby. He's a Brachiosaurus. I probably pronounced it wrong. So he's just going to be a baby, because then he could be a boy or girl, whatever. Because I've been calling the T-Rex as the boy, so I was calling him T-Bone. And then I've been calling the Triceratops a girl, so let's call her Tracy. So Tracy the Triceratops, T-Bone the T-Rex, and baby the Brachiosaurus. So if I am pronouncing that wrong, I'm sure someone can tell me. But anyway, so here it was one of the projects for the class. A cute little fold out box, and you can get these book boxes in my store. So all the supplies are below. Now some of the supplies, when I show the class of the mail stuff, a lot of times I will use retired stuff. So this is retired paper. You might not be able to get that, but you can get some stuff very similar. All right, so here's another one that we did. So here's T-Bone with his little kissy face. And then this die, this can either be a cloud or it can be a bush. So see that? It's a bush here, but I also did it as a cloud. So there's so many cute little pieces. There's the party hat, there's the stones. Of course, there's this sunflower. I could not have my bundle be without a sunflower. But anyway, so there is a cute one here, the little tag. Here's this one here. So like I said, I showed some of these the other day. I love the little glasses on there. Doesn't it make him look so smart? All right. This one here with the meandering meadows. And the calendar, the January 2025 desktop calendar. And then the rest, I believe, will be ones you haven't seen yet. All right, because yeah, that was 1, 2, yeah, so because I usually do 5 projects when I do my class in the mail kit. So that was a 5 from the class. All right, so I've also been playing around with some past kits. So always go to the last chance list and check out the kits, because you can get some great values from past kits. And then you have some really fun pieces to work with. So this was an old one. I can't think what it was called. Let me see what this one was, because I do have the box. This was the Blossom Wishes kit. And it had pears and apples, and I just love it. It looks almost like a den, and there's and I just put some of the leaves around there, so it looks like she's going to the den. So you're the best, little sunflower, and the rocks. I just love how that turned out. And then the other day, when I was doing the paper pumpkins, so these are the paper pumpkins that I added my stamp sets to. So here's T-Bone. You're terrific on that one. Then here's T-Bone again. Love you. Look how cute they are. Just, no matter how you color them, they're just like, he's colored a couple different ways there. And then here's Baby with this heart, because I had mentioned that I was going to put him here because he was just perfect for this heart. And I just used one of the greetings from the Darling Dinos set instead. So coloring in this way, he could be a baby boy or a baby girl, right? He's got green and pink. So cute. And then the last one, this is another kit. I can't remember what this was the same. This was the same one, because this set made cards that went like this way or this way. And I could not resist doing one with the holes where T-Bone, different T-Bones, got their heads stuck out with the little balloons flying. Hope your birthday is dynamite. But I love how that turned, and I just colored them different colors. So sweet. I just love that. But this has been such a fun set to play with, and so I just stamped a whole bunch of my little guides, and then I just die cut them out so I kind of have them to play with. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So yeah, so I've just been having so much fun. So yeah, I have I have them on my desk. So some are die cut out, some aren't, and then they're just kind of sitting there. Because sometimes I'll have a card, I'm like, oh, I could put a little dinosaur on that card. But anyway, so if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. Like I said, this was a quick dice shorts. If you have any questions at all, if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. If you are interested in my February and my March class in the mail kit, make sure you head on over. I always point the wrong direction. Make sure you head on over to my blog. I do have more information there. If you get my emails, I also send it through my email newsletter. If you don't get those, make sure you sign up for those. There, if you go to my blog, there is a place that you can subscribe to my blog posts. And then there's a place where you can subscribe to my email newsletters. So just check that. And so yeah, if you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you next week for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye for now.